Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will discuss the Lewis structure of XeO2F2, which is a chemical formula of xenon dioxydifluoride. Now xenon is a very stable element as it has complete octet and it is present in group 18th in periodic table. But sometimes under extreme condition it does form fluorides, and that is because highly reactive nature of fluorine. One of the example is XeO2F2. For drawing Lewis structure, let us count the total number of valence electrons. We have one xenon atom having 8 valence electrons, 2 oxygen atom having 6 valence electrons, and 2 fluorine atoms having 7 valence electrons. Now that gives us a total of 34 valence electrons. Let us see the arrangement of atoms. We will put xenon in the center and arrange fluorine and oxygen atoms around it somewhat like this. For the arrangement of electrons, let us put pair of electrons in between each atom for bond formation. This way we have used total of 8 electrons and we are still left with 26 more that we will arrange around fluorine and oxygen atoms to complete its octet. We are still left with 2 more and xenon can expand its octet, so we will assign it the remaining 2 electrons. Now this structure might look promising, but when we calculate the formal charge, we can see that xenon has formal charge of +2 and both oxygen has formal charge of -1. In this structure, distribution of electron is unequal, which is unwanted. So to overcome this problem, we will shift electrons from both oxygen atom to in between oxygen and xenon. If you didn't get this part of why and how did we calculate formal charges, please refer to the video linked in the description box below. Now this is the final Lewis structure of xenon dioxydifluoride. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.